In this video, we will show you how to transform any image with any bitmap fill type, whether it's cross-stitch, photo-stitch, PaintStitch, or the newest addition, Sketch. Images with bitmap fill types can be rotated, resized, stretched, mirrored, skewed. In this way, you may edit the imported image in any way you like. This feature allows for greater customization and originality in the design, allowing for the creation of more unique and personalized projects. Let's see how it works. Whenever you import a bitmap image, you need to select a way to handle the image through the Load Image dialog. Using the options Open as Cross-Stitch, Open as Photo-Stitch, Open as PaintStitch, or Open as Sketch, the software automatically adds decorative stitches on top of the imported image, Cross, Photo, PaintStitch, or Sketch. Now, once you have your image ready, you can transform it in many ways, and this adds a new level of flexibility for embedding the image in any design. When you have selected the image, using the rotate handles that are available on the corners of the image, you may rotate the image. You may also rotate the image using numeric values. Simply type a rotation value on the rotate field that is available on the Tool Options toolbar. Likewise, using the size handles that are available on the corners of the object, you may resize the image proportionally. You may also resize proportionally by typing a scale percentage on any of scale X or scale Y fields when proportional is enabled. Using the handles on the middle of the sides, you may change the size of one dimension, therefore stretching the object. You may also resize non-proportionally any dimension, again that would lead to stretching, by typing a scale percentage on scale X or scale Y fields when proportional is disabled. When resizing using any control handle, you may move to the opposite direction and go out of the image for a mirrored scaling. Now, if you press the D key once before releasing the mouse, you can create a scaled mirror duplicate. You may also skew or slant the image to one side. In the middle of each side, there is a skew handle. Drag any skew handles to any direction you like. The transformation is applied on the initial imported image, so you always have the option to apply any of the other bitmap fills, cross-stitch, photo-stitch, PaintStitch, or Sketch, on the transformed image even after any transformation. Notice that you can also edit the shape of the image using the Edit Nodes mode, but this is presented in detail in a separate video.